Exercises to increase your testosterone. 1. Resistance exercise. Weightlifting, commonly referred to as resistance exercise, is a good strategy to boost testosterone production. Heavy weightlifting activates muscles and raises testosterone levels. Exercises that work numerous muscular groups, such as deadlifts, squats, and bench presses, are particularly good at increasing testosterone. 2. High-intensity interval training. HIIT is a type of cardio workout that consists of brief bursts of high-intensity activity followed by rest intervals, or low-intensity activity. Studies have demonstrated that HIIT can raise men's testosterone levels. Select an activity like cycling, running, or jumping rope and alternate brief bursts of all-out effort with rest or low-intensity exercise to practice HIIT. 3. Sprinting is another efficient testosterone-boosting exercise. According to a research in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, men's testosterone levels rose after performing brief, intense sprints. Find a level or slightly sloped area, like a track or hill, and sprint there for a little length of time, like 30 seconds to a minute. 4. Yoga. Not only is yoga a fantastic kind of exercise for overall health and well-being, but it can also raise testosterone levels. The downward-facing dog, cobra, and bridge postures, among other yoga asanas, can all promote the production of testosterone. In addition, yoga can aid in lowering stress, which can raise testosterone levels. 5. Plyometrics. Exercises like jumping, hopping, and bounding are included in plyometrics, commonly referred to as jump training. According to a research in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, plyometric exercise raises testosterone levels in male athletes. Pick plyometric exercises like box jumps, jump squats, or single leg hops and execute them quickly and powerfully.